Thank you, Madam President. How's everybody doing tonight? This is really one of the exciting times for me. I'm thrilled, not because it's a weekend for Labor Day, but it's just because this gathering means so much to me. It's a chance for all of you to come together, to get to know one another in an informal setting. But it's really a great opportunity to network. The whole notion, the whole purpose of the SBPS, Society of Black Physicians and Scientists, is to create community, a community that a community where each one of us can support one another. Each one of us can help promote excellence, and I say excellence in the broader sense because it's really agnostic to race, ethnicity, religion, geography.